Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Mandy Marie. We have an unboxing. This is the premium box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It was the Halloween mystery box little collection thing he did. And this box retails for $40. Well, I mean, it's not sold anymore, but just so you know how much was paid for, and it is an $82 value that's supposed to be inside. So let's see. Alright, so this is what I see. So first up, we have a lip ammunition in glazed. Don't know if you can see that. Let's see what it looks like swatched. So pretty. Next up, we have the Halloween shade. I got Soul Sucker. And this is the liquid lipstick formula. It's like a black with gold glitter in it. Next up, we have another velour liquid lipstick. This one's in First Class, which I'm pretty sure is the gold. And if you didn't know, the liquid lipsticks are eye safe. So you could use it as eyeliner or eyeshadow. That's it right up here. Alrighty. So last item is right here. Let's see what it is. And it is the Mini Breaker palette. I already have, which I'll go get mine. I don't want to open this. So this is my Mini Breaker palette. As you can tell, it's been loved. That's what it looks like on the inside. Comes with a mirror. And that's all for this unboxing. I think it was worth it. I think they're very well worth it. The liquid lipsticks usually run about $18. I believe the lip ammunitions are about $15, $16, something like that. And then this palette's about $28, I believe. So yeah, you definitely get your money's worth with these mystery boxes. So subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, comment, like, share. If you want to see more of these, let me know. Bye!